Here we go. We're in Merritt Island again today. 4002 trade winds.
Enjoy, take your time.
Okay.
Here. Beautiful property.
So we're in the backyard. So this is on 3 acres. I love these spas where they have the, you could have a party here. And then this is shallow, you could lay out, comes with a frog. Here's your volleyball court and your basketball court, fully fenced. This is a little different take on the outdoor kitchen. So you have all this, but I mean, this is literally a little wet bar. Very nice. I keep finishing this and then it keeps surprising me. So they have ping pong here. I like this. Not quite sure what it's for. And then your TV. Fun. Here we go, folks. We're inside the house. I just love this house. So this is the master. Really nicely done. Really finished out nice. So we're both walking through it for the first time. I've not been in it. This is lovely. Look at this master. The rock wall. Visitor's closet. And your toilet room. It's your office off the master. I came back to take that. I like that. Downstairs living room with the fireplace. Oh, I like this. Look at this laundry room. That's some serious laundry doing there. We're still downstairs. So you have 2 auxiliaries here. This is an ensuite. It's ensuite number 2. We're still downstairs. This is built in. So we're going to go upstairs, but I wanted to catch the art. So now we're upstairs. I'm going to assume this is the children's suite, complete with Linus and Lucy. This is fun. Another bar. More storage, which is great. Sure half bath downstairs.
So you're Linda? Well, that's Saturday.
It's the second time I've seen it. I saw it in another house. I saw the tile inside a bathroom. This is beautiful. So here's your other living room. Your wet bar. Here's my list agent. You want to tell me about your listing?
Well, this is a 6,155 square feet home under air, little 7,800 square feet total, 2.4 acres, basketball court, full court.
We got
volleyball
that.
Court. Oh, you got that already?
So you're excited. You've had some good
Beautiful.
feedback, yeah?
Yep.
This is very beautiful.
Don't forget to.
There it goes. Watch this.
You're like a professional.
No, but I love you for saying so.